Yo, what is going on? What's the deal, guys? Just making it over to Duconodl Outdoor Living. Coming to do some shopping for my outdoor area of my house. And what other place should I come to other than Duconodl? Guys, this is my guy, Aj.
Hi Mo, how's it going? You alright? Welcome to Duconodl.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I hear you guys are the one-stop shop to go to for outdoor living. Everything from landscape, paving, gazebos, barbecues. What else you got, man? Everything?
We got the whole deal. We got it all covered.
Let's go, man. I want to do some shopping.
Let's take you around. We got gazebos, cover you while you're outside and living in the outdoor living.
Okay.
We got barbecues in the corner there. We've got sitting areas, we've got planter boxes, we've got fire pits, we've got a foosball table. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. This is the best part of it.
So you make all of these in-house?
We do it all in-house.
So this is made here?
Well, this is made in Germany, but made specially for us. You know,
wow.
We do similar kind of stuff here as well.
Okay, well let's do one real quick. Where's the ball at?
There you go.
All right, let's go. Play one game. First score wins. How about that? Bam!
Done.
I think he let me win because I'm trying to buy some stuff, huh?
Yeah, that's what you're good. Customer wins.
And then you guys are making fireworks.
We're doing fire pits, bespoke fire pits. You know, you can come check it out. You can have a nice fire in there. You know, sit around. You know, it's getting cold. You know, cuddle up. Nice blanket for you there.
Okay.
You know, it's all done. We got it all covered for you.
Amazing.
We've got marble sculptures. You know, full piece, solid marble.
Okay.
You know, we manufacture them to our needs and stuff. Customers love this. It's a nice product. We've got planter boxes, plant pots. Okay, fully marble ones. We've got the ceramic ones as well.
You guys have a factory that's doing all this for you.
We've got a factory in Jebel Ali that does all this for us. I mean, this is all the different kind of pavers you have. We've got lighting as well that complements it all. You know, a nice barbecue that goes with it.
Talk about a one-stop shop, man.
Yeah, everything. We've got it covered.
They got everything from barbecues.
It's a new concept, outdoor living.
Everything outdoor living. That's what I like to hear. I hear you guys got something really special that nobody else does have. Virtual reality.
Oh yeah. That's the baby. Let me take you to the VR section.
All right.
This is our VR station. We got before we even actually start installing it, we do the whole thing and show it to you in virtual reality.
All right.
This is the real baby. Let's show it. Manoj, can we get it all set up?
All right. Safety first. And you guys design, how long do you guys take to design something?
It's taking somewhere between 3 to 6 hours. We can have your garden designed in 6 hours.
Wow. And then delivery-wise, you get it all delivered within what, 10 days?
Well, you can have it within 3 days.
3 days?
Yeah, if it's a small enough garden. But yeah, on average about 10 days.
All right,
yeah,
amazing.
So you see what's happening, you can see your garden, you can walk around.
So if I point and shoot, then I'm over here.
That's your entrance. So you know the whole design, you can go out of there.
This is amazing. This is actually pretty cool. First time I see something like this. So you design it, and then we can come and see how my house is gonna look like. Okay.
You get a full perspective. Huh?
I like this, man. This is amazing. Sounds good. And you also...
We do the full thing. We design it for you, we install it.
All right, I also heard you guys have something else that's unique that no one else has. What is that? The mobile showroom?
That's another baby we have. We have a mobile showroom. If you can't come to us, we can come to you.
Wow. Why didn't you tell me that? I would have came. All right, let's go check out the mobile showroom. How long have you guys been in the market?
About 3 years now. This is our 3rd year.
Okay.
You know, if you can't come to us, we can come to you.
Wow.
You know, check it out. Let's get you on the showroom.
Let's do it.
We come to you. We show you show you the whole capabilities. Screen versus product.
Wow. This is incredible. This is amazing. Guys, honestly, when have you ever seen a showroom that can come to you? Showroom on wheels. Look at this. It's got it's all super real.
This is resin bonded stones. We've got all the normal pavers here, different designs. You know, if you have a look, we've got something that's, you like swimming here. You got the dolphins. You go swim with the dolphins there.
This is incredible. This is incredible. What other surprises you got for me, man? Is that all? Is that all for today? And how long has Ducon been out?
We've been in the region for about 45 years.
45 years.
Yeah, this is all the hard work comes down to. I mean, some of the stuff you have here has a lot of work behind this.
Amazing.
But everything's developed for the region.
Incredible. And you guys deliver all around the UAE.
We cover the whole thing. We cover all the UAE.
Supply, apply, installation, design.
Design. It's a full vertical integration. You've got the whole thing. Turnkey solution, one-stop shop.
Oh, that's how it is, guys. Now you know the only place that you should be going to design your landscape, your outdoor living is Ducon. My guy, man, I appreciate it, bro.
No, it's a pleasure. Thanks for coming.
Appreciate it. Make sure you guys give them a big follow. I'm gonna put their Instagram, I'm gonna put their phone number. Check them out. Make sure if you're looking for a home design, outdoor home living, make sure you guys check out Ducon Outdoor Living. My man.
Take care.
See you soon, bro.
Take care.
Take care.